Hey guys, let's discuss this problem. This problem says a cylindrical water tank of diameter 1.4 meter and its height is 2.1 meter is being fed by a pipe of diameter 3.5 centimeter through which water flows at the rate of 2 meter per second. In how much time the tank will be filled? So let's proceed step by step. Let's calculate the volume of this cylinder whose diameter is 1.4 meter and height is 2.1 meter. So what is the diameter? Diameter is 1.4. Radius will be half of the diameter, which means radius will be 0.7 meter and height given is 2.1 meter. Now let's calculate the volume of this cylinder. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. This is the formula for the volume of cylinder. You know the value of r, you know the value of h. Let's put both of these values here. 22 by 7. R is 0.7 into 0.7. Why 2 times? Because this r is square of r. And height is 2.1. This will be 0.1. 2.2 into 1.47. So let's evaluate this. We'll evaluate this afterwards. Let's keep it as it is for now. You have the volume of the cylinder. Now you need to calculate how much volume of water per second is flowing through the tap. You know that there is a pipe. This is fed by a pipe. You can see this cylinder as the bucket in the shape of cylinder, and you are filling that bucket with the help of pipe, in which the water is flowing with the rate of 2 meter per second. So you need to calculate the volume flowing through that pipe per second. So let's calculate volume of water. So how much water is flowing through the pipe per second? It will be pi r square into rate. You have the radius. You know the diameter of this pipe is 3.5. So what will be the radius? Half of the diameter. So it will be 0.3.5. The diameter is 3.5 divided by 2. And as you know, this radius is in centimeter. So what you will do? You will convert this centimeter unit into meter. So when you will convert this, there will be 100 in the denominator. Let's take the square of this, and our rate is 2 meter. 2 meter per second. Now let's evaluate this further. What you will get? You will get 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 divided by 2 into 2 into 10 to the power 4, because when you will take the square of 100, you will get 10 to the power 4 into 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. This will give you 0.5. So what you are getting here? 22 by 2 into 3.5 divided by 10 to the power 4 into 0.5. Now what you will do? You have this volume in per second which is flowing out of pipe. So how much volume you will be needing? You will be needing this much of volume. In how much time? So you are going to multiply this volume with the time, and then you will equate this with this volume. So let's do that. What is our volume flowing through the pipe per second? It is 0.5 divided by 10 to the power 4, and let's equate this. Multiply this with time, which will be in second, and this is 2.2 into 1.47. When you will evaluate this, what you will get? This is 1.1. So your time will be 1.1 into 1.47 into 10 to the power 4 into 2 divided by 3.5 into 0.5. So what will be the time after evaluating this expression? Let's see. So what you will do now? Let's multiply this volume with the time, and after multiplying with this time, you need how much volume? You need this much of volume. 2.2 into 1.47. So let's evaluate this expression for time t. What this expression is going to be? All the values in the denominator in your left hand side will come in the numerator on your right hand side, and the value in the numerator will come in the denominator. So this is 22, 3.5 into 0.5. So when you evaluate this, you will get 1680 second. And how much minute? 28 minutes. So you will be needing how much time? You will be needing 28 minutes so that you can get this much of volume flowing through this pipe. I hope there should be no doubt. I will be taking more problems in the coming video lectures. Thank you.